All right, a company we also talk quite a bit about here on Yahoo Finance is Tesla. They are set to join the S&P 500 to begin trading on December 21st. The rebalance will happen on Friday, December 18th. And Julie Hyman, this is going to be the largest rebalance or the largest requirement of trading volume that has ever happened for a company entering the S&P. And as we discussed back when the news was initially announced that they'd be joining, they're going to be the 10th largest, 9th largest company within the index. Upon
Yeah, I
inclusion.
think they've actually moved up by now, Myles. I think there's something like 7 or 8 at this point. I was looking at the numbers from Howard Silverblatt over at S&P, which he sent after the decision and the announcement were made. He said if you adjust the current market value for float, you get $437 billion. That would produce $72.7 billion in required trades because of the various companies that the various managers that index to the S&P 500. He says, in addition to the normal rebalancing trades of that day, which were $32 billion for September, the last time there was a rebalancing. So it looks like you could just have an enormous amount of trading volume that day, spurred partly by Tesla and partly by other types of rebalancing.
Julie, my analysis this morning on Tesla is very simple, and this is the Yahoo Finance Premium stat of the day. PE ratio trailing on Tesla now 1,085, and all these momentum traders and Tesla buying the stock ahead of them joining the S&P 500. I get it. There's a lot of momentum. This is what you do. You trade that momentum, and maybe you put on more gains. But at some point, Myles and Julie, valuations on Tesla will have to matter. And it might matter now that the company is going to be part of the S&P 500, and it might matter on that fourth quarter earnings call.
Sozzi, they have a PE. That's an improvement for Tesla, being able to at least have a ratio.
Sick.
You can at least do the math now, dividing by something like earnings. And just to wrap up the point there, Tesla will be the 7th largest company in the S&P 500 upon inclusion. The market cap right now is only 20 billion less than Berkshire Hathaway's. They're currently the 6th largest company within the S&P 500. So another decent day for Tesla, and all of a sudden it's only the FANG names, including the M with Microsoft ahead of them. That'd be Facebook, Alphabet, Amazon, Microsoft, and of course Apple, sitting right over $2 trillion in market cap.